Doamne, Doamne, Doamne. Hi, I'm Pierre, I guess now. That's weird to say. Yeah, well, welcome to the channel. This should be the first episode, the episode in which I take the fairings and pretty much everything off in order to change the exhaust. Because yeah, my exhaust's done. Like the O2 sensor just blew up, and I'll show you on the camera next. But like, yeah, about the channel. I have no clue what I'm planning on doing with it. I just know I want to have fun, like repairing bikes, modifying them, just going outside and enjoying time on bikes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been in love with bikes for a really long time now. Ever since I was 7, I used to ride on dirt bikes with my dad, the countryside, and now I'm on the big boy bikes. I mean, as much of a big boy as you can be on a 660, but yeah, I'm enjoying my time on this right now, and yeah, my only experience with modifying or repairing bikes is on the little Duke down there, the 125. I've changed the exhaust on it. Right now it's stock because that that broke down as well. So I've on the old bike I've changed the exhaust. I put a piggyback on it, and that should be it. On my dad's Brutale, I don't know how you should call it, but the AMV, the 800RR, we've changed the hoses for the what do you call it, the cooler, the water cooler, yeah. For that we changed them to silicone ones because it wasn't working. And on this one I've done mirrors. This dumbass thing, basically it's the XL OEM windscreen, and I've bent it with a heat gun to make it look like this, and I've got a black film on the way to make it black, obviously. The exhaust, obviously, I bought an OEM one and just scored the original exhaust. Flip and dip plate, yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So I've no clue what I'm doing, basically, but I'm here to learn. I'm here to have fun and oh yeah, just safety mounts and whatever. Yeah, but back to the thing. Yeah, I'm here to learn. I don't know everything. I don't know a lot of things, but yeah, as I've said, I'm here to learn. So let's get to it. Oh, also, I might have to change the position of the bike because my neighbor might come, and yeah, I'll have to move the bike. So let's get to that. So we're gonna start off with this, which is a 3mm hex. Then we'll move on to this, which is the same 3mm hex key or Allen key, whatever you want to call it. Next, we're taking this, and this off, which are all 3M. So this should now come. Wait, yeah, I forgot to unplug. There's a cable that you need to not unplug, but like disconnect. Okay, that should be it. No, because I've got one more bolt, which I forgot about. Yeah. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's this one right here. Oh, this might be too long. Yeah, let me just get a hex key. And there it goes. So next up, we've got this one and this one. This one. So I'm talking about these things right here, and I'm using a minus head to get them out. Then I'm just pulling them out by hand. So I'm just inserting this here and prying it out until it comes out. There's also this right here, which is a 2mm hex key, which you need to take off as well. So next up, we've got 3 Phillips screws. We need to take this off. There goes one. Okay. Next, we're gonna pry this one open as well. And it came off in one piece. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, that's not moving. Okay, never mind. Never mind, it worked. And now it's almost off. Okay, so actually, I don't think you need to take this off, so because yeah, you definitely don't need to take this off, because like you can take down the radiator here, and one more on the other side, and you can easily get it without like. My bad, it just started to rain, so I cannot do anything about that. But next up is this, which is an 8. For this, you'll need to hold it with the 8 and turn it with the 10. Right side is literally the same process, just on the other side. So I'll just get to doing that, and then I'll get back to you. Finally. Oh my god. Okay. So oh, Jesus. This should be everything. Okay, so you can see it on the camera. This should be the last bolt that we need to take out for the radiator, and yeah, it should move pretty much free after that, yeah. It's an 8. So I'm gonna use an 8. Okay. Now this should give us enough space. Here you can see exactly what happened. So the O2 sensor just blew up and left a giant hole in my header. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is take the second O2 sensor out, and just like that, and yeah, just like that it came out. Next you can just take it out by hand. There it goes. So these are all 10 millimeters. But you need to be careful because they're copper, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, here's the first one. Oh, second one off. So I'm on the other side, and I somehow managed to get the socket in with an extension like this, and I'm just taking the outer nut out. Finally, third one off. So you definitely have to use both hands for this, to guide it with the right arm and with the left arm to just try and ratchet it up. Got it stuck. There it goes. This is the last one. Should be off any second now. There it goes, the last nut. Okay, yeah, this is it. Now we just need to take the bolts of this, and the exhaust should come off. I think we need to take this off first. Yeah, I don't know why it's not coming off. Oh, I know why it's not. I think I'm gonna have to take the bike off the kickstand. How do I do this without dropping the bike? Let's see. There. Oh my god. Okay. So this side. This is off. Yeah, now the giant bolt. And I only have this. Well, that's convenient. I actually had to do it from this side. And now, the exhaust should technically come off. Oh, there you go, that's fine. And the gasket came off. Oof. Yeah, the gasket came off. Make sure you have both of them in. Now you can see exactly what I mean, because it left a huge hole in the header. And that's why I needed to do all of this. Yeah, well, I'm not sure if you could tell, but this was my my first time attempting a project this big, and I'm excited. Everything went extraordinarily well. Like even the bolt up here, which was almost rounded off, but not quite. Even that went well. Yeah, and the exhaust is off. I'm gonna cover the headers with some masking tape, I think, if I can find that. Otherwise, just a t-shirt or an old cloth. And yeah, well, this was the first episode. I know it's not gonna be the best. Not even the filming. My plan wasn't the best. My execution of the plan wasn't the best. But yeah, it was fun. I think I learned a lot. I'm extremely dirty. But it's first step complete. Next, we have to install the exhaust when it comes. And then we'll put everything back on, and that should be little Freya, because that's what I named her, Freya. Yeah, well, thank you for watching, and make sure to watch the next video. I'm gonna have to clean everything up, and then I'll get to drink some water finally. But yeah, I'll let you catch a glimpse of her like this, and then I'm gonna go. Wait, let me. You know what? Bye.